microscopic 3 microns in size. A living organism that first appeared on Earth 540 million years ago. Remained undiscovered by the eyes of man until just over a century ago. With that important discovery, the curtain quietly rose on a promising and abundant source of good health, which is desired by people everywhere. The warm rays of the sun embrace and nurture all of the myriad forms of life on our marvelous planet. Bathed in bright sunshine, there is an organism that produces abundant amounts of the nutrients needed for human life. That organism is known as Chlorella. 540 million years ago, Chlorella first flourished under the bright sun of the Cambrian period. With amazing power to multiply and a tough cell wall, Chlorella was able to withstand the harsh changes of nature, surviving in its present form, virtually unchanged. This tiny organism, Chlorella, was first discovered by the Dutch microbiologist Martinus Beijerinck a little more than 100 years ago in 1890. Following its discovery, Chlorella was seen as a promising source of food for the world, and its excellent potential has been confirmed in the laboratory. Research has steadily continued to this day. In addition to high-quality protein with an exceptionally well-balanced combination of amino acids, Chlorella contains abundant amounts of natural vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Humans could not exist without the essential material of life called protein. Most of our body's major components, including muscles and blood, are composed of protein. Chlorella contains a particular abundance of high-quality protein, which accounts for virtually 60% of its composition. This protein content is unparalleled, even when compared to foods considered high in protein. Moreover, it contains an excellent balance of both essential and non-essential amino acids, extremely rare for a vegetable protein. Chlorella also contains beta-carotene, which our bodies tend to lack, folic acid, and other vitamins and minerals. Chlorella has abundant amounts of these basic nutrients, which are also plentiful in green and yellow vegetables. Chlorella also contains large amounts of chlorophyll and dietary fiber, which have recently become the focus of growing attention. There is also another component which is completely unique to Chlorella. CGF, Chlorella Growth Factor. CGF is comprised of a complex of nucleic acids and amino acids. CGF is involved in cell division and cell growth, and can be considered the most important component of chlorella. The more sunlight chlorella is exposed to, the more nutrients it produces. It concentrates and gives form to the mysterious life-giving force of the sun. Sun Chlorella Corporation was one of the first to focus on the abundant nutrients found in chlorella. Based on the traditional wisdom of eating whole foods for a healthy diet, Sun Chlorella has prepared chlorella in an easy-to-eat form. To eat whole foods means to consume vegetables and fish in their entirety, not just selected parts. Living things such as plants and animals have their own well-balanced structure. Consuming that entire structure enables us to absorb the exact quantities of each component needed for maintaining a proper metabolism and nutritional balance. So rather than producing a dietary supplement by chemically extracting and refining specific nutritive components, Sun Chlorella supplies chlorella products that can be consumed in as natural a form as possible, enabling chlorella to display its full efficacy in helping the human body to maintain its natural balance. Although chlorella may embody the mystery of life, a major difficulty still had to be overcome. That difficulty was chlorella's tough cell wall, which had protected the organism for 540 million years. The tough cell wall presents a problem because it hinders digestion and absorption by the human body when chlorella is consumed. Through many years of research and expertise, Sun Chlorella was able to develop a unique production method, becoming the first in the world to successfully break down more than 95% of that tough cell wall. Other companies also claim to have broken down chlorella's cell wall, but none has achieved 95%. Sun Chlorella's unique technology, patented in both Japan and the United States, utilizes a physical method to break down the cell wall without using chemicals, enzymes, heat treatment, or other non-natural means. To supply chlorella products of only the highest quality, Sun Chlorella adheres to 3 conditions. First, we use only our own Sun Chlorella strain of Chlorella pyrenoidosa. Although there are many types of chlorella, the Sun Chlorella strain is of superior quality, containing abundant amounts of useful components. Second is culturing in outdoor tanks under strict sanitary conditions. Based on the thinking that chlorella reaches its full potential only when exposed to ample amounts of natural sunlight, Sun Chlorella uses only chlorella that has been cultured outdoors, rather than growing it indoors under relatively easier production conditions. Third, and most important, is a total dedication to producing products of the highest safety and quality. This is the ultimate responsibility of a health food company. In every stage, from the raw materials to the finished product, Sun Chlorella employs the latest technologies and the most rigorous quality control to produce chlorella products. It is through this total management system that Chlorella products are produced for customers throughout Japan and the world.